Hi, today I will show you how to create this colorful ceramic. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. I have prepared this object and the floor and the lights. Make sure your render engine is cycle and now we'll see on the viewport display. Now go to shader editor and choose word. I will put color for HDRI here. I will attach the HDRI on the description. And for the plane, we go to object and choose full black for it. Now for the ceramic, I will prepare 2 mix shaders, 3 glossy BSDF, and 2 layer weights. And now we are going to connect them. For each glossy color, I will choose red and green and blue. And I will also decrease the roughness so the object will be more reflective. And you can also adjust the light weights. So this is the final result. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!